What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm with
the guy who almost got run over a car because of you.
So we're gonna be heading out to 405 Motoring today. I think it's like a Brekkie Club Founders program or something like that. I don't even know, but it should be like a pretty cool car event. I love going here because I got my wheels mounted here and I got my car tinted here, and I want to get this guy's car tinted there. And
Jordan's gonna go probably.
Jordan might go, yeah. But it should be a pretty cool event. I'll take you guys along with me and hope you guys enjoy.
Goodbye. Oh, I think, yeah, it's probably from
this thing is beautiful. Holy shit. The booger. This is beautiful. I love the color. The interior is kind of clapped. I like that.
What's that?
Porsche too. This is good too. I know.
It's like
if you're not 21 and you're just trying to go in, just scan the QR code, register, and you're good to go.
I like this color right here. Oh, remember that the owner, his purple RX-8 or his Ruby Star Red RX-8? I like this one. This should go hard too.
Fuck yeah, go hard. It's RS6 a month, dog.
No, beautiful. I can fit in here. I can fit in here. I think I can fit in here. Dude, what is this? Look at that. Look at all the tubing. Bricks, look at all the tubing. What the? Yo! There's no way this is street legal. There's no way it's street legal, dude. It's registered. Look at that. If anyone knows what this is, let me know down in the comment. I know. I want to go look at that one. There's so many people around it. Look, Bricks, that one has like a huge turbo in it. You see the turbo? Next to the wheel?
It's not bad.
Come. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. The event was pretty good. We didn't stay for too long. My favorite car from the event was the Adro BMW M4. I can put a picture right here. And what was your favorite car?
The Liberty Walk RX-7.
I knew it.
It made me come.
But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out 405 Motoring. They're really nice people. And what are you doing? You're dumb. But yeah, definitely check them out. Help me get to my goal of 500 subscribers for the year. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.